Is an associate in arts degree for you? Keep listening to learn more about this exciting degree. The agenda today is: what is an associate in arts degree? What are the program names? What is the course selection? How will it transfer? And what are the program costs? My name is Kim, and I have been an online advisor with Distance Minnesota for over 3 years. I am thrilled to be your host and help you determine if the associate in arts degree is for you. What is an associate in arts degree? This degree is made up of 40 Minnesota Transfer Curriculum credits plus 20 elective credits which apply towards the first 2 years of a bachelor degree. It is intended if you plan to transfer to a university. Alexandria Technical and Community College and Northland Community and Technical College are the two distant colleges that offer this degree online. Did you know the programs for the Associate in Arts degree go by many different names? Some of the program names include Liberal Arts, Liberal Studies, Liberal Arts and Science, Liberal Education, General Studies, and AA degree. All of the above programs lead to the same Associate in Arts degree. What is the course selection? You will complete courses in 10 goal areas. The goals meet the Minnesota Transfer Curriculum and range from communication to people in the environment. Each goal area has a set amount of credits you take and range from 3 to 9 credits. How will the Associate in Arts degree transfer? Credits transferred to a MnSCU for your university as a package. If you don't complete the degree, courses are evaluated individually. Remember to research any program-specific courses you may have to complete. That way you can work it into your course guide and not have to repeat any generals for your major. In order for the Associate in Arts degree to transfer, you must have a cumulative GPA of 2.0 and passing grades. If you have transfer questions, check out uSelect at transfer.org. This useful site provides transfer information and helps you create a personal account so you can determine what will transfer. What are the program costs? You pay the tuition and fees of the college you take the courses from. So depending on what courses you complete, your tuition and fees may vary slightly. The online tuition rates for all 3 distant Minnesota colleges are $199 a credit. Check out the chart for more details. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to contact Distance Minnesota 7 days a week.